Every day, you're saying the words that I want you to say. Such a
You're listening to Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu.
'Cause I need you here with me.
Penglipuran Village is a traditional countryside owning unique characteristic life, socializing as well as culture. This village is famous as one of the tourist destinations in Bali because of its people who still carry out and preserve traditional Balinese culture in their daily lives. The architecture of the building and the land management still follows the concept of Trihita Karana, the Balinese philosophy of the balance of the relationship between God, humans, and the environment. Penglipuran located in the village of Kubu Bangli sub-district as well as Bangli Regency. According to history of all old doyens that this countryside is taken from the word Penglipura, what its meaning remember to ancestors. However, there is also telling that the word of Penglipur means the entertainer. It is said that at the former empire era, all kings often used this area as a place to amuse themselves. It is because its nature is beautiful and can give the peacefulness and inspiration at the time of experiencing a problem. Another specialty which is owned by the village is the concept of special things about the village that are aligned with a special concept in Hinduism. Village territory is divided into three parts called the Tri Mandala. In the north corner of the village, there is a shrine, the main theater, namely Pura Balai Agung, which became Mecca Hindus. Furthermore, in the middle there are parks and residential homes. This location is called in the middle mandala. Meanwhile, in the lowest part or mandala in south, there is a cemetery complex or setra. The concept of Trimandala does not only apply to village spatial layout but also for residential homes. Penglipuran people's homes are all in the form of Balinese traditional house, which is divided into two parts, the west and east. All the houses have the same form of the front. This section is made of soil material for walls and bamboo for the roof. The front of the house has angkul-angkul or gate, which functions as a building guard. On the religious holidays, this section will be a place of offerings and is used as a place of worship. Penglipuran Village is one of three villages that has been named the cleanest village in the world. Because of its cleanliness and neatness, this tourism village has also won several awards including Kalpataru, Indonesia Sustainable Tourism Award in 2017, and most recently, this destination was included in the Sustainable Destination Top 100 versions of the Green Destination Foundation.
Well, now we are going to some traditional villages in Bali, yeah. And it's
Bur ya.
yeah, or burning or ngaben, yeah, okay.
ngabuburit. But in Trunyan, the dead or the corpse is only laid down on the special cemetery with special traditional ceremony that only ya. They lay
Okay.
down.
So Trunyan is located in the eastern, shore of Lake Batur,
Bali.
Kintamani, yeah.
Kintamani.
Okay, so we can say that Trunyan is Bali Aga.
Bali Age,
Okay,
yes.
yeah.
they preserve their local customs very very was that tightly, something like that. But it's also unique when you want to reach that village. You all use boat.
Boat, yeah.
Yeah, no other what is that? No other way
Way.
to reach. Yeah, it's only by boat.
By boat. So, the fact of the Trunyan village is the bodies there, yeah. It's not, what is it? Smell not good, yeah,
Yes.
because there are
Believe.
what is Tarumenyan?
Yeah, they
live,
believe
yeah.
one huge or big tourist there in the cemetery. What is that? Provide or maybe produce a
Smell.
good smell, yeah, fragrance
Yep.
that
From-
can what is that? Erase or maybe make the smell of dead body is what is that? Not smell, bad smell,
bad.
yeah. That's why the as Kakak Iran said, the
Because
tree
Trees of
called
Tarumenyan.
Taru means tree,
tree.
and menyan means fragrance.
Fragrance. Okay.
That's one of maybe for most people can't believe that, yeah. Oh, unbelievable. Why? The smell of that body, we can smell the dead body. Yeah, the smell is usually we can yeah, if we smell what is that, like animal or maybe something, we can smell it, yeah,
Smell,
from
Long distance?
yeah.
Okay.
Kan, yeah, that's why this is very very unique one. Do you want to visit it, Kakak Iran?
Yeah, I want, but I can't go there.
Yeah, maybe
Because
one
one day.
one day,
One
yeah,
day, yeah.
because usually I'm very curious, but still have what's that to I want to be brave to go to that place.
Okay.
Maybe someday. Okay, another village in Bali that can be one destination that you can visit when you come to Bali is
Tenganan.
Cenganan. This is also
Pegeringsingan.
Tenganan, Pegeringsingan. And it's also Baliaga, yeah.
Yes.
One of Baliaga village that preserve their costume and also has cultural heritage that still exists until
Until
now,
now.
yeah,
Yep.
in globalization era or digitalization. What's
So
that?
this located in Karangasem, Bali, teman berdua, ya.
Yes. Mhm.
The what is it? Ujung?
Ujung the
The corner of Bali, ya.
okay, yeah, if we see the map, yeah, is located in the is the peak of Bali
Bali,
Island. Dan Tenganan village is as Kakak Iren said, Tenganan Pegeringsingan has very what is that? Still hold the original tradition ceremony, yeah. Has a unique village layout and architecture, still like what's the ancient village,
Village,
yeah.
yep.
Traditional one without modernizations. The buildings is still simple, like yeah, maybe 1,000 years before, yeah. And one also that is very famous in this village is about the not textile,
The clothes. No.
what's
Yeah.
the clothes, yeah.
The common,
The common,
yeah.
we said common or what is that? Almost forget to say the words. Kakak Iren.
Ya, double ikat
Ya,
ya.
tenun ya.
Tenun ya.
Kain tenun, we said
Ya.
called tenun double ikat.
Okay.
It's only can be found there. Yeah, no other places. Okay, that's the unique ones. Okay, we
Okay.
still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many
There are so
villages?
many villages,
Okay,
ya.
we will try to what's that? Tell you one by one. Yeah, maybe after this song we will back. another places.
RI Digital. Nikmati kemudahan interaksi, partisipasi, dan kolaborasi dengan RRI Digital. Interaksi, dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun kamu, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. Partisipasi, kreasikan konten kamu dengan berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital sekarang menghadirkan terobosan baru, workspace platform dan online learning platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact dan outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Yuk segera download RRI Digital.
This corner, and I think this is our last session ya Kakak Iren.
Yes.
This week. Okay, we still have several villages in Bali that can be visited to spend your holiday. Yeah. Another one is we will talk about what's that?
What?
Creative or village. Yeah. That has several what can be said as art.
Yep.
Art.
Of silver.
Silver. Okay, we call it Mas Village.
Okay.
What's actually people known about Mas Village, Kakak Iren?
So actually this village there are so many famous art around the world. So if you teman Pro2 visit this especially village, you will get to see the carvings being made and also purchase by yourself.
Nah, that's why this is village is very popular for its high quality wood carving.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Beside that, it's still in Ubud.
Ubud, huh?
Yeah. This is it. Celuk.
Celuk, yeah.
When we heard about Celuk, many, especially women, will enthusiast to hear about this village. Yeah, to have what's the sightseeing or maybe was the eyes.
Yeah.
Because this is produce so many jewelry.
Jewelries,
As Kakak Iren said,
yes.
not only what's that,
silver.
gold, but also silver
Silver.
with various form and also what's that, the
What?
what can say, Celuk has its own motif,
Okay,
something like that.
yeah.
We can differentiate between
Special motif,
another
yeah.
village in Bali.
That's right. And so if you go to Celuk, don't forget to bring your money, yeah.
You will spend a lot of
Yeah.
money to buy jewelry.
Because there are so many beautiful jewelries there.
Yeah, that's right. And another one, this village also known as its special art performance. Yeah, still in Gianyar.
Yeah.
Near Ubud. Yeah, this is Batu Bulan village. Yeah.
Batu Bulan, okay.
That is popular as one of the most artistic and creative villages in Bali. So here you can watch
Right.
many types of traditional dances being performed, such barong dance and then also kecak, legong dance. Yeah, this is one of they are the famous art performance in Bali.
So not only that, Chris, but teman Pro2 also watch the wood and stone carvers in action, making Bali's famous statues and pieces of art, especially. So The one made in this village in particular are said to have extra magical powers.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
forget to drive towards Ubud Gianyar called Batu Bulan
Bulan.
village.
Okay, and this is the last village in Bali. If you like about paintings, this is a must to visit. Yeah, one village in Bali called Batuan Village. Why?
Batuan.
Yeah, some of the traditional villages still in Ubud.
Ubud,
Yeah. Is that famous with its traditional
Painting. Yeah.
and also center for wood carving and
Dancing.
dancing.
Yep.
Yeah, what is can be said as the most unique in this village is that about the
What is it?
painting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not influence from another Western or
Western?
any other artistic style. So
Oh,
still
still
original.
Original, traditional, yeah, traditional
Batuan
one.
village. So if you want to see how the people there make their paintings, the special one related to their custom or something like that, you can visit Batuan
Batuan
village.
village. Yes.
Okay, yeah, because the time ya Kakak
Is
Iranya,
up.
we will finish this English
Session?
corner for today.
Today.
For this week, but don't be sad because we can meet you next week.
Yep.
We still have a different topic to be discussed.
Okay, so always listening Pro 2 RRI Singaraja with me Ren Amora.
And Tris Mallory, you say goodbye. Have a nice weekend. Bye.